Hello friends, myself Pawan Jaiswal from MarketSmith India team. Today is 27th June and this month is going to end. Only one trading session is left, that is today and then Monday. And market is standing at multi-month high level. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss how market is placed technically, how it looks like and how it may do in coming days and the various sectors we can do, which can do well in coming days or which is underperforming and outperforming and what are the actions that we are taking in our TraderSmith portfolio. So over here, you can see the first page that TraderSmith web portal. We can subscribe our premium services where you can access that current trade, past trade, everything is there. So you can just go there and track. Let's move on to discuss the market, how it is currently placed. So this is the synopsis of the market as per our O'Neill methodology of market direction. You know that we follow that unique methodology, that market O'Neill methodology. And as per that, we categorize market in four different segments, that is confirmed uptrend under pressure, correction, and then rally attempt. So over here you can see all the major our benchmark index Nifty 50 Sensex, Nifty 50 and Sensex, and then broader market indices, mid cap, small cap, and then sectoral indices, all key sectoral indices like realty, banking, pharma, IT, etc., etc. So over here you can see almost all the major sectoral indices is trending either in confirmed uptrend or uptrend under pressure. Means we can say that overall texture of the market is quite bullish. And if you see here placement of moving averages, so that is also looking quite attractive, that almost all the sectoral indices are trending over 50 DMA or 200 DMA. Only this, if you see the banking index, there is a so everything is looking quite attractive. Apart from this, I can say next slide. So next slide is showing that performance, how that market had performed in last few weeks or months. So here you can see the performance of 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month, 12 month, and so on. So here we can clearly see that in last 1 month and 3 month, almost all major sectoral indices, including benchmark index, has generated quite attractive return, but small and mid cap is comparatively leading the show. Apart from realty, realty is phenomenally doing good at current, even though from the last couple of days it is showing some sort of profit booking, but that is not a matter of concern. Overall trend and sentiment is bullish. So let's move on chart, how chart is placed at current level, and that we can discuss further. So here, if you see this Nifty 50 daily chart, and in this daily chart, this index is consistently forming higher top, higher bottom formation. This you can see here. There was a consolidation in last video, if you remember. We have clearly expected that this kind of zones, this sideways kind of zone, and or we have expected that the day it will cross 25,200, it will ready to move toward 25,700, 800 zone. So after such consolidation, almost 5 weeks or more than 5 weeks of consolidation, the stock is this index has given, Nifty 50 has given breakout, and now it is trending in upward trajectory and ready to move toward 25,700 kind of zone. Currently, if we talk about level, so today on 27, that is Friday, this Nifty 50 index is trending around 25,600 kind of zone, and overall trend and sentiment is bullish. So maybe 25,700, 800, or maybe 26,000 kind of level may be achievable in coming week. Overall trend is positive, sentiment is positive, momentum is positive. Especially sectors are doing good, especially heavyweight sectors are doing good, and because of that Nifty 50 index is witnessing a higher and higher level on week basis from the last almost couple of months. So this may be in coming week, this expectation may be remain in bullish continuation, maybe remain in continuation, and maybe 27,000, 26,000, 25,700, 800 kind of levels can be expected, or maybe 26,000 kind of levels also be expected. Apart from that, if you see the little bit of positional view, like next 3 to 6 months, or maybe Diwali or by the end of this year, so we are expecting another new high in the market that is beyond 26,300, and possibilities are quite high that market will maybe by Diwali or anything like that, market would be ready to record or register new all-time high. So overall sentiment is bullish. So keep watching this sector and this stock. My market is blessed. But overall, at least in our opinion, that trend is bullish. Apart from this bank Nifty, if we talk about other major sectoral index like Bank Nifty. So if we move on Bank Nifty chart, so in last video also we have clearly mentioned that this Bank Nifty is clearly outperforming to the market, and this is the sector which is leading the overall market momentum, and then because of this, this Nifty is also moving ahead. So again, this Bank Nifty is clearly outperforming because it is already trending into uncharted trajectory. Even yesterday only it has given fresh all-time breakout over 57,000, and first time it was closed beyond 57,000, and now today again it is consistently holding level of 57,000 and trending at higher level only. So in last video that we have mentioned that the day it will cross this 56,000, 57,000 level, maybe 58,500, 59,000 kinds of level may be achievable. So most probably this Bank Nifty is pulling toward or moving toward 58,500, 59,000 kind of levels. And accordingly, Bank Nifty is going upward. So trend and sentiment is bullish, and banking, the banking and not only banking, if we talk about financial index Nifty, Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty is also showing the strong momentum in the market. And because of this, you can see that not only that banking has large cap banking stock, obviously large cap banking like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank are comparatively doing good, no doubt at all. Even Kotak Bank has also started participating in current rally. But if you see other financial non-NBFC are really doing good, and because of that, overall banking and financial sectors are doing good, and that impact is clearly visible on Bank Nifty, Nifty 50 index. So texture is bullish, trend momentum on multi-time frame chart is bullish. As such, these geopolitical tensions are also now cooling off, so maybe that is positive for the market, and maybe the market is ready to move further upward direction that I have mentioned in levels just in this video, that we can expect such kind of levels in coming days and coming weeks. Apart from this Nifty and Bank Nifty, that if you see the auto sector is also showing resilience in the current market, and now it has crossed all key moving averages on the daily charted list, and now it is trending above at least 200 DMA, and the way it is a process of formation like bullish flag continuation pattern, I can draw a line or pattern for you, that this is the pattern I can say that I consider generally a bullish flag continuation pattern. And maybe sooner that it have most probably here it has given already breakout, and this is the flag or pole, I can say this is the fob, this is the flag, and the way it has given breakout and now trending above 200 DMA. So at least a conservative target for this is that like a size of the pole, that ultimate target of this pattern, but I'm not taking that much if I talk about conservative. So this is the level we can expect, sorry, Control Z, and this is the level that we can see, which is placed around 26,000 level. So most probably the way this auto index are also moving, maybe it is ready to move toward 26,000 kind of levels in coming weeks and coming months. Apart from that, energy now, because of Reliance and all, energy sector is also showing clear-cut participation in the market, and that is also pulling the index, even though it is showing little bit of laggardness. But yes, overall structure, you can see the height of higher bottom formation and all. Apart from that, if you see the broader market indices, so in broader market, this mid cap index, small cap index, Nifty Next 50, that is Nifty Junior, are literally moving upward direction with higher bottom formation and showing good momentum in the market. So I can say that the way stocks are moving, the way index are moving, banking sector are moving, the market is seeing another leg of rally in the market, and then maybe this rally is remain in continuation. in coming days also. So you can focus that pockets where momentum is happening, and you can focus on that. If we talk about TraderSmith portfolios, we follow unique approach, that short-term trading, like we follow generally on an average for 4-5% of stop loss and 8 to 10% of return. So we have ordered, and I can say more than 20 kind of stocks in this market, and our portfolio is doing really good. We have added stocks from various sectors like banking, financials, defense, consumption, retail. We have added a lot of stocks from a lot of sectors, and almost most of the sectors are comparatively doing in the market. So our portfolio is also doing in current scenario. So you can focus in the market and the trend is behaving, and you can focus in the pocket where market is moving, sectors, stocks are doing good. So overall texture and sentiment is looking quite protective and positive for the coming week at least. So I think that's it for this video. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned with us. Again, we will meet in next video for further discussion of the market and how Nifty 50 and various sectors are placed from the next week perspective. Thank you for watching the video.